How you going, guys? This episode's brought to you by Crocs. Alrighty, so welcome back. As you saw in the last episode, we've done the roof rack. Now it's the bull bar. So the bull bar is pretty rusty. It's pretty run down. Looks like absolute garbage. So the plan is strip it all down, bare metal it. We're going to run some hoops, hoop in the center, hoop over the headlight, full paint, and it should look pretty damn good. We're going to eliminate some stuff too, like this big chunky piece here. Get rid of that, make it all smooth, and then go from there. So Ryan's going to be doing most of the welding and fabricating. I just wear my Crocs.
Stand there and look good.
I just wear my Crocs.
Yeah.
That's all I do, because we're sponsored by Crocs.
Fabrication side, get rid of these. There's a bunch of holes under here, so we'll fill them holes up, clean up this bar a whole bunch, go the angry old look, be following this over here a little bit, so just let us do it. We'll send it, we'll make it look mint.
You stay there, we'll do this. Slip. Oh, so Ryan's made this up. Check this out. That there is our bender. All right, and what he's done is he's fabricated this little tube up to mount to his bench. So in the corner here, we just slip her in here. Boom. All right, put your dies and all that in, we start bending. How good's that? Some say he's a fabricator.
It's good. So these plates are off, cleaned up a little bit, ready to tack, and we'll do a mock up here. So we'll roughly measure in where that hoop needs to go. We want a little bit of extra material. So to be honest, with that angle, we'll be about there. We actually sort of want to go about 1400 actually, to be honest.
Do you reckon?
Yeah.
Don't want to cut it too short though.
Yeah. So,
well, 320. Go 600. On
extra materials 14. I reckon that'll be right.
14.
1400.
14.
Cut some steel.
Measure once, cut once.
It's measure once, cut twice.
Measure once, cut once. That's how we do things here.
Yeah.
We measure once and cut once.
Nah, in reality, it's measure twice, cut once. Water will come through. This is under its own weight while it cuts. The blade is a bit blunt, but it'll be all right. She'll cut up nice. So here I'm doing a little mock up for the angle, just doing a little bit of a bend on this wire here, so I can roughly get an angle that I want for this in here. So I would probably prefer to bend it a little bit under, and if I need to, I can go a bit more. So I reckon that angle there will be roughly around about what I want. This is actually bending pretty sick. Still got a few more degrees to go, but it's bending pretty sick. It's Rambo this.
Yeah, mint.
Angle and everything too.
Yeah, yeah. So
Like,
now you got to work out
around the light and everything is sick.
Yeah, we've got to work out where we're going to start bending.
So come up, because it's not level. We're way off level.
Do we have a level?
Yeah, so.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no,
moved it.
We've moved it.
Hang on.
You can give it a love tap.
There, lock it up. Oh, you lock me up first. Get the spanner.
I can't, I haven't even got the right size spanner.
There, it's right here. Brought it with me when I prepared it earlier. Hang on. Measure once.
Cut twice.
Measure once, bend once.
So this here will tell us our angle. So you set that and then bang. get into it. But what I want to do is go to the point of where it's tight, which is here. Set that to the 0. Remember our degree, which I can't remember what it was. Nah, yeah, 56.
Yeah, was it?
Yeah.
Just go back on the video, we'll find out.
We'll line this up on the bench, on here.
Yeah.
Measure out.
Yeah.
And then just lay
Whatever.
that over,
Yeah.
mark it.
Done. So we are getting the MIG welder out because we're pretty happy where we got the loop. So we're just going to tack it and then have a look, show you guys, and then we'll weld it. So we're getting there, The first hoop is always the hardest one because you got to, that's the centerpiece. This here, fellas, it's called an earth. And the only way for the welder to work is it's got to be earthed. So you just got this. Earthed. Ryan can explain the rest.
Just earth it.
Just earth it. Just that.
Completely changed the bar.
Just that.
Yeah.
It's literally, that's changed the whole thing. And we've only just done the center. Imagine when we do the outer ones.
Oh, it'd be insane. We're going off the edge of this here. Off this edge.
So the indicator hole. The hole for the indicator.
Within 1 mil.
And that was done by eye. That's how.
I've done this a few times.
Yeah.
It's 0.
Zero.
Oh, it's pretty damn close to 0.
1
So that's
mil.
level
1
2.
mil. So what we're doing here, we're gonna bend this pipe to about 90. Oh, she got a bit.
It's got a bit to it. Yeah, keep going.
Damn, go on, mate.
Wait.
I can't do it seriously. This guy's got a rifle. A rifle. Hey, have a look up there. That's the neighbour's dog. All right, so what we're doing here is we've done the
Just a touch.
yeah, we've done the center hoop. So now these are the outer hoops. So we can actually replicate that on the bench. We've just done one now, and we're just going to replicate the same thing because they're both the same on the other side. So we're going to bend it at 95 and hope it works.
A little bit of grease will help this move through the die a bit smoother,
Just get it on the shaft.
and it will help you pull the tube out of it as well without almost pulling Anthony's head off.
We're not bending.
Hey?
We are not bending. What's going on here?
Yeah, what's going on?
Oh, we've just, look at that.
What?
We've just fucked this. Because we didn't go all the way through.
Fuck's sake.
So, as you can see, the angry eye setup is
That's pretty annoying.
you gotta, when you stick it in, you gotta stick it all the way.
Oh, this is actually really annoying.
Will the other one work? So we just, so this is part of the bull bar.
Oh, stop.
Yeah, no worries, mate. It's hard and steel. It ain't gonna
Go. Nah, it'll go.
That thing's gonna go. Patong!
Yeah.
Wait, do you have a bar?
Smack him straight in the eyebrow.
Wait,
Dunk.
where's the old one? Yes. Wait, Will.
Going. Hold up.
What? What?
You heat, I'll hammer. To be honest, honestly,
Yeah.
it's mainly my fault because I didn't put the pin all the way through. Structural integrity,
He's gone.
0. But somewhat shaped it. Now we're going to reshape it with
Where's
the old bit.
The old bit on the floor.
There we go. That'll just literally put it back where it needs to be. Look at that.
Okay.
We're back in action. Proper makes it angry, eh?
Yeah, and it's perfect with your bonnet.
Yeah. 76.8, we're 0.08 of a degree out. What's going on?
Earth? Oh, yeah, earth. Yeah. Hold on. So we've got to disconnect the back of his lights, the winch. We've got to disconnect the winch, pull this box off, then we'll pull the bar off. Get a full sand, and then we'll prime it, and then we'll paint it. And we'll also freshen up the grill while we're there. This guy. You should have seen him before. What is it?
Oh, I did, I lost it.
Someone put these freaking hoops in the way. We can't get
Oh, no.
We can't get in there.
Who tacked the hoops on?
Yeah, it's bloody too tall now.
The mic's run out, so we're just doing something quick, but we've got to be mixing up some black paint and some primer. So depending on your mix ratio, 2 to 1, 3 to 1, 4 to 1, 5 to 1, you do want to get these cups and do your mix out of here. So the epoxy is a 4 to 1. So we'll find our 4 to 1. I'm going to do 500 mil. So all the way up to this part of the triangle will be the primer, and then up to there will be the hardener, and I might thin it out just a little bit because it's quite thick. So go over here to your 4 to 1, fill this up. As you can see, it's on the line there of the pyramid. And then you want to add your hardener, and then you just want to fill that up to that top bit. Add this. There you go. That's how you mix paint.
Alright, so that took way longer than what it should have. So much longer. But,
It is.
yeah,
It's about 3 in the morning.
it is 3 in the
I'm
morning.
covered.
Anyway, so what we did was, the big chunky bolt-on things, we smoothed all that out. Ran the centre hoop and the evil eye hoop on the side. And obviously we gave it a full respray as well, so she's one colour.
the antenna mount up in here, ready to roll, and gone with a black, so it's like a bit of a textured black. Be pretty cool. Probably going to paint the train the same colour.
There you go. That's it for that one. Never again. There you go.
Yeah. On to Anthony's rear bar next. That's going to be 2 episodes.
3.
Yeah.